somewhere in you already exists the knowledge of how to create your own reality consciously. And so it's not something you have to keep. I mean, definitely you want to learn higher knowledge and you want to practice. But to know that it's already in you, all you're trying to do is find it. And you do it by practicing. Let me be certain. Let me think about, what do I want to create? And how do I cultivate that faith in, I know that Rob talks about that I'm higher knowledge and I'm the self, and how can I learn to cultivate that faith that that's who I am? How can I have an experience of that? We first start seeing it with our clients and yourselves through shadow work. You start to see that, oh, that external world is not as separate as I thought it was. It's a lot of smoke and mirrors, and all of a sudden we're seeing our own mind. Mind is the cause. There is plenty of people out there that want to coach with you. There's plenty of money in the world for you to make. There's plenty of people that are just waiting for you to show up in their lives, praying for an answer, praying for a solution. No, to be certain of that I have something. And, you know, a lot of people say to me, well, I haven't had that much experience yet. How many feel that way? Like if I had more experience, right? You wanting to do this is proof that you have the ability to do it, or you wouldn't be drawn to it. You weren't drawn to, like, I don't know, an accounting firm, or, yeah, maybe you were before, but your desire to do this work, your desire to learn this work in itself is that there's a part of you that knows that this is what you're meant to do. And so are you going to have more confidence after you have, 100 hours of coaching? Yes. But it shouldn't stop you from right now